So today is a special day on our calendar. It's Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all the moms worldwide. A special Happy Mother's Day to all my subscribers and viewers. And of course, a super special Mother's Day to my mom that gave birth to me, my adopted mom who raised me, and also my grandma who helped raise me and finance me. And all right now, grandma still finance me. Yeah, man. So I love them three mothers, and I know they love me too. And of course, how could I not wish a happy Mother's Day to my son mom and my daughter mom? We might not agree upon nothing, but we agree on two things. We want the best for our child, and they're the best mothers to my children. Now, let's have a happy Sunday by watching Bawdacat and Johnny at it.
Nothing. No, fine. Fine. Let me ask you this. Is every... No, put that. Come can't see it. We can't see it. All right. Don't do that. Yeah. So is every man, meaning you, involved? Yeah. Right. Yeah, them in a fool too, man. Hold on. So, yeah, man. Hold on. So if me tell you, say, yeah, me no weak to woman. Hey. You're weak to man then. Me weak to man. That me say, man. Oh, hello. That me say, look when this man a batter me up. Sir, me no start fight yet. Just a reason about that. Me no collaborate with a man like that. Yeah. So me now weak. If you're not weak to woman, you must weak to man. No. But I heard that. But me no collaborate with man, so me now weak to man and woman. So where your weakness then? Alright. Where your weakness? Hold on, a good question. Where my weakness is? Yeah. In a me animal then. No man. So you're weak to animal? Yes. Well, nothing wrong, man. To animal. No, something wrong. Because you want to know. Hold on, man. Hold on, animal. Hold on, something wrong because you want to know. When Jah create the earth, Jah create the animals and the beasts and everything, and Jah said to man, say, yo, I give you dominion over these things. Yes. So you know what the word, you know what dominion mean? You know feel weak to animal proper. Yeah, man. Come, Johnny. Animal not that. Where Danny in there? Danny. Where Danny? Animal, me deal with man. How I make man weak too, man? Ask him that, me no know nothing about that. Okay. Me no know nothing about that. What make you weak to animal? Alright. Because that's where my thing is. That's where your love is. That's your thing. You're a different man from all of it. Of course. How come?
Johnny is a different man from all of us. Johnny no weak to woman. Johnny weak to animal. And big old Mother's Day. Johnny honor animal instead of mothers or woman. Tell me now if Johnny now, man. Anyways, we gotta continue to watch, laugh, and enjoy. Happy Mother's Day again to all the mothers. Me know say, so my man them always about out the mother them and say, a mother alone get dear, mother alone get celebration. We love we mothers, man. A 3 mother me alone gifted with getting man. 3 mothers me have, you know.
What make you? Because human have whatever. You're not human. Animal have instinct. You is not a human. And hold on. Animal have instinct, and when me pre the thing, most animal they are more advanced more than you people who have brains more than instinct. So you can't live with animal? Of course you can live with because everything animal alone. So you talk to it now. Where your animal them? Where your animal them? They were asleep. You should have them here so I talk to. No. You can't live with animal alone. You're not weak to animal. No. Hello. You're not weak to animal. You need to fix up your argument. Hold on. You don't need. Hold on. Fix up your argument. You don't deal with animal, right? I love animal. If me not deal with animal, yeah, of course. You raise animal. Me deal with animal. No. Can't animal to deal with. Do you raise animal? No. Fine. So that's a different subject, right? So what that mean? Me no know animal. Eh? That means I mean no animal? No, I'm not saying that. That mean what? I would be dumb to say you don't know animal because animal you love. Only. I love animal, and I raise animal, and I love people, but people who don't love me, I don't fuck with them. Everybody can love you. You are who? Me are who? King Johnny. No, sir. Everybody love God. Everybody love God. Go look it up. Look up. You need to look up that.
One thing me know, me love my animal them too, so me I agree with Johnny on that. Yes. But one thing Bingy know.
And I say no
me,
love animal, but you can't love animal alone.
Hear me no bother. When me there in my farm, and me go take care of my chicken, my cow, my pig at daytime, and feel good staying with them for the day. At the end of the night, I want to go with a woman. Aye?
Then no must. Then the animal, then have them partner where them go on with.
Aye?
Hey,
Nothing to Johnny like in animal. No matter how you try convince Johnny, say yo, Johnny need human interaction. Johnny don't want to hear that. All Johnny cares about is his farm animals, because one day making money, woman take money from Johnny. In farm animals them bring in money. That's all Johnny care about. The man, no matter where Bawdacat say and the great points Bawdacat make and Bingy, Johnny not care. Johnny's an animal man.
And what me I go do?
Like Johnny has said, man. Johnny does talk about animal alone. You know what?
Johnny argument for fix up.
Argument for fix up?
Yeah, man.
For animal alone. I raise so much in animal, I want to see animal at night time. Oh, I don't want to see animal at day.
No, you want to see you female at night. Yeah. Because you use female and I go around the system and I go on like say, you are top celebrity or whatever. Me not into that. When me go home,
you want to see animal?
No. Original cat. When they go home, yes, me back me fist, back me blood. Yeah, man, no blood. No, cost me.
You're blind. You're blind.
So what on?
Brad them to the blind.
So what on? Him not have a woman.
Ask him. They're not blind. They're not poor.
Johnny. You not have a woman?
No. Animal.
A 33 woman me have.
What then there?
Goat.
Oi, leave this alone. You Mr. Bamba, leave it alone. What up?
Me say, me have 33 woman.
No, I tell.
But hold on. Most of the man them, the guys them, male, who have the only woman and have grown and that's a rare, a problem.
But I can tell him about fist.
Oi!
Leave it alone.
Problem, crosses and stress.
Oh, you know that.
Oh, me know that? Because
you don't have no woman.
Because me hear them.
You no man problem because you don't have one woman.
What I'm
it knows it. Yes.
What I'm simply saying, the man them who have all these women, you hear them talk about, boy, she call me, and I said, phone bill for pay, water bill for pay, 2 bucks they go. So what wrong with that? What wrong with that? Me not join that. My of them can call me and tell me, say, I'm a cow, I'm a goat, say. But you can't fuck your them. Me back me fish and me home. Me back me fish and hold on. Now touch me, man.
What Johnny a do with the back fist hand? I go touch Bawdacat. Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Hey. Everything where Johnny say, Bawdacat have what I wicked is rebuttals. Bawdacat counteraction to Johnny's sentences and statements and word is just next level. Yeah, man. Bawdacat can go word battle words or word battle. He's that good. He's that good. Man, oh my. They two man anytime they meet a problem, a drama, a fun, a laughter. Anyways, we come to the end of the video. And again, happy Mother's Day to all the moms in the world. We appreciate you guys. Thank God for you guys. Me love my moms. My moms love me. Big shout out again to my kids' mom, son mom, daughter mom. Bless upon yourself. Watch the video. You like it? Like it. Share the video. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell. Leave a comment in the comment section. Wish your mother happy Mother's Day in the comment section. Yeah, man. And as always, stay safe. God bless.